Imagine scrolling through TikTok and suddenly seeing live streams of newborn babies from a medical center. Yes, actual babies, on camera, live for thousands of strangers to watch. Shocking, right? Well, that's exactly what a Reddit user discovered in Malaysia, and it's raising major concerns about privacy, ethics, and professionalism. Welcome back to 2230, where we dive into today's hot stories you need to know. Stay with us for all the details because we'll be discussing not just what happened, but why it could have huge implications for both parents and healthcare workers. So here's what went down. On January 6, a Reddit user named u_injury3355 took to the platform to expose that nurses were allegedly live-streaming infant patients for hours, with phones placed alarmingly close to the babies' faces. Just picture that, a phone right near a baby's delicate eyes for extended periods. Concerned about potential eye strain and whether these parents even knew their children were on TikTok for strangers to see, the user asked for advice from parents and healthcare professionals. Now, here's where it gets even more troubling. The user wasn't just speculating. They claimed to have screenshots of the streams and initially even shared the nurse's TikTok username before deleting it later. But the core question is, were these nurses too focused on their TikTok fame to properly care for the infants? What do you think? Are they guilty of neglect, or is there more to the story? Share your thoughts in the comments. In a follow-up post, the Reddit user provided more details. Apparently, the nurse claimed she worked at a confinement center, a type of postnatal care center where policies may differ slightly from regular hospitals. Does that change anything for you? Let us know. But despite this explanation, many Reddit users weren't convinced. They argued that whether it's a confinement center or not, basic patient confidentiality rules should still apply. After all, these babies are minors, and their parents likely didn't give permission for them to be live-streamed. To make matters worse, one of the live streams allegedly showed a nurse kissing a baby while wearing a mask, raising concerns about the spread of illnesses. You can imagine how this added fuel to the fire. In response, Redditors urged the original poster to report the incident to Malaysia's Ministry of Health, KKM, and guess what? That's exactly what the Reddit user did. But reporting isn't always as simple as it seems. While the Ministry of Health reportedly acknowledged that the nurse's actions were inappropriate, they also cautioned that investigations take time. So, we're left with an important question: what kind of penalties or policy changes should be enforced to prevent these breaches in the future? And should there be stricter guidelines for healthcare professionals using social media at work? Drop your ideas in the comments. And before you go, remember to hit that like button if you found this coverage insightful, share it to spread awareness, and subscribe to 2230 for more deep dives into real-world stories that matter. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.